Choosing the right mobile app framework is a pivotal decision in the app development process. It influences performance, functionality, and the platforms your app can thrive on. Let's dive into the essentials of mobile app frameworks and how to select the best one for your project. A mobile app framework is the skeleton of your app, complete with code libraries, software development kits, and application programming interfaces. It's the toolkit that helps you build robust and efficient mobile applications. Whether you opt for a native or cross-platform framework, your choice will shape the app's destiny. Native frameworks are tailored for specific platforms like Android or iOS, ensuring optimal performance but limiting reach. Cross-platform frameworks, once criticized for quality, now offer a write once, run everywhere approach, expanding your app's presence across multiple operating systems. When selecting a framework, consider platform feature support, speed, development cost, and security risks. For instance, native apps excel in performance, while cross-platform apps offer broader reach but may compromise on speed and feature support. Each framework has its trade-offs. Cross-platform solutions like React Native speed up development but may struggle with complex features like push notifications. Native apps offer a seamless experience but can be costlier and platform-specific. It's a balance between functionality, compatibility, and aesthetics. In conclusion, the choice of a mobile app framework is not to be taken lightly. It requires a strategic approach, weighing the pros and cons of each option against your project's unique needs. Whether you go native or cross-platform, ensure it aligns with your goals for a successful app in today's digital marketplace.